Hey, it's Smit, and today I'll be drawing a marble using the liquifying tool within Procreate 5. So to start off with, the brush I'm using is the hard air brush. I'm going to draw a circle, and to snap it to a circle I'm going to tap on the screen with one finger whilst keeping the stylus on. Make it the size I want, and then let go. Oops. To fill the shape, drag the dot from the corner to the shape. I'm just going to resize this a little bit. Now I'm going to create a layer above it, tap it, and then clip in mask. Now I'm going to select a soft brush. I'm going to drag this palette out. I want to use these colours. So now I'm just going to fill this shape with whatever colours you want. Once I'm happy with this, I'm going to close this palette, and then still being selected on that layer, I'm going to click over here to liquify. I'm going to go and push, and then just start playing around with it. Once you're happy with it, can stop there, so I'm happy with that now. And now to add the shading to the ball, I'm going to create a new layer. Again, I'm going to clip and mask it so I want it to stay within that shape. Now with a soft brush, I can start adding some shadings. And then I'm going to start shading in the bottom right of the ball. So I'm adding very light pressure right now, and then as I get closer to the corner, adding a bit more pressure. And then normally when there is an object on the surface, there is some light which is reflected. So to do this I'm going to erase some of the shadow which I just added. So staying on the same layer, erase tool, again soft brush, but this time I'm going to reduce the size. And then on this other side I'm going to add a highlight. So to do this, clip in mask, a brush, I'm going to go to a soft brush, and then for this I'm going to go with white. I'm going to start off light, add a bit of pressure, and then ease off again. Again, new layer, clip in mask, and then in this area I'm just going to add a little bit of further shading. Now to add a shadow as if it's like it's sat on a surface, you're going to do that by adding a new layer, dragging this below the original shape. I'm going to select a hard brush, and then again the dark purple. So with this I'm going to reduce the size, and I'm going to draw a ellipse. Again tapping to making sure it stays uniform. And then to fill this, drag this. Now with the erase tool, soft brush, I'm going to start off hard and gradually lighten the closer we're getting, creating a rough gradient. And then same on this side. And now to finish this off, I'm going to go on the adjustments, Gaussian blur, and then add a slight blur to it. Once you're happy with this, you can move it slightly and just to adjust it.